Blackout Bingo profile pictures can fail to upload when the app does not have access to your photos, the selected image is not accepted, or the app cannot complete the upload to its server. By the end, you'll know which permission, image, connection, and app settings to check before reinstalling Blackout Bingo. First, check Blackout Bingo's photo permissions. On iPhone, open Settings, find Blackout Bingo, then check Photos. If access is set to none, change it to an option that allows Blackout Bingo to access the photo you want to use. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Blackout Bingo, then Permissions. Look for photos and videos or the equivalent media permission on your device. Allow access if it is currently denied. Then reopen Blackout Bingo and try the profile picture upload again. If the photo picker opens but the upload fails, try a different image from your gallery. This helps determine whether the problem is with the selected file or the upload process itself. Choose a normal photo stored directly on your device instead of an image that is only available through cloud storage. If the original image is stored in Google Photos, iCloud, or another cloud service, make sure the full image is available on the phone before selecting it. Next, test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and try the upload again. If you normally use mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. A profile picture has to be uploaded to Blackout Bingo's online service, so a connection problem can prevent the upload from completing even when the game itself loads. If the picture still will not upload, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the game away. Then return to your profile and try again. You should also check for an available Blackout Bingo update. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Blackout Bingo, and check for an update button. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check the available updates. Install the update if one is listed. Android users can also try clearing the app cache through Settings, Apps, Blackout Bingo, Storage, and Clear Cache, if that option is available. Avoid cleared data unless you know what information is stored locally. If permissions are correct, another photo works, the connection is stable, and the latest app version is installed. The upload problem may be account-side or related to Blackout Bingo's servers. So check photo permissions first, test another locally stored image, switch networks, restart the app, and install any available update. Your next step is to open Blackout Bingo's permissions and confirm that the app can access your photos. If this fixed the profile picture problem, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.